Hey guys, Tim Martin. In this video, I have the unboxing and initial setup of the LG Watch Sport. I just received this today. It was actually announced last week with Android 2.0, which is the new operating system version for the Android Wear devices. And this is one of the two new devices available right now, which is the Sport, and there is another smart watch, which is the Style, the LG Watch Style, which is cheaper at $249. This one is $349, but that's because it has a whole bunch of other features, like for example the GPS. It has the heart rate monitor, and it also has NFC, which lets you pay with your smartwatch using Android Pay. Also, the screen is a little bit bigger as well. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing right here. Like you see here, the box is very plain looking. There's nothing too much to see there. You got a label here for some information, and over here you got some information which you really don't have the specs of the watch at all. So let's go ahead and get this out of here. There you go. There you go. And here is the awesome looking watch. I'm gonna put this to the side first. Whoa. You know what? I thought it was gonna actually feel a little bit heavier, and it doesn't. This is how it looks right now. But first, let's go ahead and show you guys what's in the watch, the box here. Okay, this is the charging cradle. Let's go and take this out. How the hell you take this out? There you go. You got a charging cradle there. You got the plug right there where you're going to connect the cable at. And of course, this charges wirelessly like this. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. So let's put this to the side. Put it like that. Here you also have a charging block. Look at that. Pretty big. And over here you have a little compartment there with a cable, which, let's see, this is, I think this is USB-C. I don't know, this is not micro USB, so it actually looks like USB-C. I don't know if it actually is, but it looks like it. And here it is. This cable is not that long at all. This, I would say this is like less than 3 or less than 4 foot long. Gonna put that to the side. This right here, look at this. This is to put in the SIM card on the watch. Look at that. And you got the instruction manuals, which of course you need to read to get familiarized a little bit with the buttons and all that. And other than that, there's nothing more inside of this box. Here is the awesome smartwatch. I honestly thought it was going to look a lot more bigger. I don't think it actually looked that exaggerated. I was going to take this out of here. There you go. Right there. Okay, and the last plastic that I have is around this right here. And we should be it. I think that should be enough right there. This screen right here is actually 1.38 inches. 1.38 inches. Let's go ahead and turn it on by pressing here. There you go. You got the LG logo right there. Let's go ahead and set it up. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and set it up with the Honor 6X. Let's go ahead and launch the application here. I believe you have to launch it. Let's go ahead. This is already installed. Another thing to keep in mind is that this smartwatch is also compatible with iOS as well. So if you have an Apple device, it will be compatible. Look at that. That looks so cool. It is not doing any noise or sound whatsoever. There's no sound coming out of this. Oh, that looks pretty damn cool. Let's go and see how long it takes to... Now, keep in mind, my last smartwatch that I owned was the Pebble. I think it was the Pebble Steel, which I think was the second generation of the Pebble watches. And I did like it a lot. The great thing about it was the battery life was pretty damn awesome. It lasted around 5 to 6 days. This right here, it supposedly has 430 milliamp hour battery, which actually going to give you like a little bit over 24 hours. Okay, it says tap to begin. Okay, here we're going to choose the language. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. You could use the wheel right there. Oh, looks pretty damn cool. Look at that. So the wheel, you got all these languages. So it has a whole bunch of languages there available. Look at that. Let's go and show you guys all the languages. Wow. That's awesome. I like the way this feels. This wheel feels really nice. Let's go and choose English. Right? Says on your device, download and open Android Wear. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, it says, okay, set up. Make sure your Bluetooth is on right here. It says, okay, let's tap right there. Connecting to LG Watch Sport. Okay. Okay, there's a code right there. It says LG Watch Sport 1730. Make sure that, okay, allow pair connected. Checking for updates. Okay. And like I said, I did not have the any Android Wear device after the Pebble. So this is actually my first Android Wear device. So here you're going to see your accounts. Copy your Google accounts to your watch. You have all the accounts you got there. So I'm going to just go ahead and leave both. Hit next. Says continue. Press next. Confirm. Okay, we're going to go ahead and set up a password. There you go. Copy to your watch. Copy. Copying accounts. Copy into accounts. So here I'm gonna have to enter the password for my Gmail. Okay, so there finally I entered the password for my Gmail. It says stay connected with Wi-Fi, chat with friends, send messages from your watch. Click next. So allow, check your calendar. Okay, allow. Get notifications at a glance. Okay, there you go. And over here, of course, let's go and allow notifications. Okay, and go ahead. You're all set. Improve your experience by sending diagnosis. Okay, done. Okay, I think we're done here. It says reply to calls, text from your watch to turn on SMS in Android Wear. Go to app info, tap permission, and turn on. So I think I already did. App permission. SMS. Yeah. Okay. All set. Look at see there. It says all set. And there you go. Look at that. So here you have a whole bunch of watch faces. But if I'm not mistaken, with the new Android Wear devices, the application store should be on your watch, so you don't really need your phone to install applications here. Here you got upcoming events. Right now I'm tapping up. It says tutorial to get started. Swipe up. This is a simple notification tap. Okay, tap to see more detail. Notifications appear below the watch face. Tapping them opens apps, messages, and more. Swipe to the right to exit. Okay, it says press the power button to go back to the watch face. It says press button to see app. Okay, look at that. So here you got all the applications available right now. So you got agenda, alarm, Android Pay, contact, find my phone, fit workout, flashlight. Let me see. Okay, so what it does is that this gets bright. That's what it does. Go back, tap again, it goes to the applications again. Oh, not bad. This feels really, really fluid. You got the messages, you got the phone, you got the Play Store right there. You got the Play Store, reminders, settings, stopwatch, timer, translate, weather, and your feed. It says to move app to the top, press and hold on it. So if you want to press and hold on it, you see that you can move to the top. That's cool. So right here, I think, let's see how the hell you change faces. Okay, by swiping like that. These are all the faces you have right now. Not that much. You got this one, you got this one, portions, And you got this one, tap right there. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty damn cool. Here, if you want to add more faces, just tap right there. It says tap to add a face to your favorites. So like you see there, it has more faces there available. But right here, if I swipe from this side, you'll see the faces there. At the bottom, you can actually edit them. Tap right there back and goes back again. Look at that. It's pretty cool. So, wow, that's pretty easy to change between faces. Swipe up, it says remove notifications. Okay. To talk to your Google, just press and hold. Okay. Hi, I'm Google Assistant. Here are a few things I can do. Stay in touch, send text, get directions, get things done, blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. Where can I get some pizza? Let's see if it actually... Of course, one thing to keep in mind, this is not going to answer you back by talking to you. Everything is just text-based. So that's the one thing to keep in mind. Where can I get some pizza? That took a while. It's not showing me that much. I think I'm going to have to keep playing with this stuff later on. So here in the top, if I press the top here, it's going to launch the Fit Coach. I think this is from the Fit applications. Walk, run, push-ups, and all that. That's cool. So if I want to walk, tap right there, right? Or tap right there. No, that takes me back again. That's cool. So tap right there, start workout. And there you go. I could choose an account. Tap there back, press here in the bottom. I think the bottom by default, it opens pay. Here you go. Pay with your watch to set up Android Pay. Have your phone and card ready. There you go. So I'm going to set that up later on. If I swipe down, you see these notifications toggles. You got the airplane mode. You got the sound. All sounds are muted. Here you got, this is do not disturb. This right here is what it says, turn screen back on by pressing the button. Okay, that's what it is. It turns the screen off. So over here, you got some settings there. You got display settings. You got auto brightness. Right now is in auto. Font size and all that. Let's see what else. I want to go to the prior one. You got sound and notifications. You got applications. So here basically is the system apps. Right now I don't have any applications because I haven't installed that much applications yet. This is just out of the box. These are all the things that are installed. Gestures, connectivity, accessibility, personalization, system, date and time, disconnect, restart, power off, and about. There you go. Back again, back again, back again. Press again, you see the applications again. That's awesome. Let's see how it actually fits me. There you go. So I gotta say, it doesn't look that bad at all. It looks pretty cool. I don't know why the watch went like that. Right now, is that the correct time? I think I have to also set up the watch. That's pretty cool. You got see over here. You got the microphone. I think it is the speaker and buttons. Really accessible. I think. I thought it was actually gonna feel a little bit more heavier as well, and it doesn't feel heavy at all. It does feel really good. One thing, negative thing about this watch is that you cannot replace the bands at all, because in these bands you actually have the antennas of this smartwatch Of course, like I said, you can also make phone calls. You can activate it, which one thing I'm going to do with this device is I'm going to see if I can activate it with T-Mobile, because I know that AT&T and Verizon are actually selling this device through their network, but I haven't heard anything about T-Mobile. And to change, let's see how we get access to the SIM card. Because like I said, this is all new for me. I never tried this before. Just going to get this device right here. There you go. Right here, like you see, there's 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. And you got 3 pokes right here too as well. Just going to set this up right there. All right. There you go. Set it up like this, and like you see there on that device, it says to open, go this way, to close, go this way. Let's see there, and see, there you go, and there you go. Look at that. So that's how you take that back cover off, and like you see there, that you have access to the nano SIM card. So you're gonna put there a nano SIM card, which obviously has to be super small. So obviously this is the nano SIM card, and that's it. You got the heart rate monitor right there, and when you're done, just put it back again, and there you go. Adjust it, and there you have it. Let's see how it looks when it is charging. Okay, so here already plugged it into the power. So lay it flat like that, and it should start charging right there. There you go. Let's see if you guys can see it a little bit. There you go. So look at that. That's how it looks when it's charging. Right now it's at 48%. I gotta say, it does look pretty damn cool. Pretty nice that you have the charging inductor right there. Lay it back, take it off again, and lay it back again. Of course, you should charge it 100% before you use it the first time, but since I'm doing the video here so you guys can see the initial setup, I'm really not caring right now. I still have a couple more plastics I need to take out. Like I said, this is my first time I have an Android Wear device, and I'm gonna have to use it a couple times. Right now it's updating. Look at that, it's Android system update, preparing to update. So as we were doing the video, it was still downloading a couple things in the background. Maybe that's the reason why it was a little bit laggy or something like that. There you go. So it's updating right now. I gotta say, it does feel really nice, and I don't actually think it looks so big at all. Look at that. I don't actually think it actually looks that big. All right, you have the microphone right there. So I don't know. Right now, I'm debating if I should actually buy a nano SIM card and try without the phone, see how that works. But for now, I want to try without using the LTE, to see how much you can do with the smartwatch without using LTE. But I will definitely also try with T-Mobile and ask them how much is it going to cost me when it comes to data, because this is actually going to be an extra line. That's the thing about this, about these smartwatches with LTE. That's another thing to keep in mind. So I will be, right now, tomorrow, I'm going to be investigating, go to my nearest T-Mobile store and ask if I can get this phone smartwatch activated with them, and how much is going to be monthly. That's it, guys. So right now, I'm going to keep on using it, keep on updating all the applications that I have to, finish updating everything else, and setting it up the way that I want to. And later on, I'll make another video for you guys. And let me know if you guys want to see anything specifically about this smartwatch. And I'm also, of course, going to test out the Android Pay, which I'm going to obviously upload a video for that later on. So guys, that's it. This was the initial setup and unboxing of the LG Watch Sports with Android Wear 2.0. Till next time, guys.